And that's a beautiful landing. Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. I'm gonna do my first flight on this Era MD500. Right now the wind is blowing 1.7 miles an hour, 2 miles an hour, 68 degrees outside, 2.6, 2.4. Nice variation. It's gonna be fun for a debut flight. 3.3, 0.7, 4.6, 4.9. All right, it's windy. So that said, I'm gonna take this flight, this bird for the first flight. So binding it. There we go. Set the gyro. Perfect. Press down and out. Alright. Okay, this one has no optical flow. Sound like buzzsaw. Full berry pack. It's windy outside. Fighting the wind by myself manually, no optical flow. Have to watch out for the bird feeder. It's not my best friend. But the beautiful red pops out really well. I think I adjusted trim, but it's so windy. It's not the helicopter's fault. It's flying pretty well with optical flow. It's blowing pretty hard. Five, 6 miles an hour wind right now. All right. Hands free, then the helicopter is drifting away. It's a lot dartier than the Yusheng Huey. Let's see how well it hovers down low. There's some bright light. Whoa. It's a lot louder than the Huey. figure 8. I like the tilting angle of this helicopter a lot more. It banks a lot more than the Huey. It's very spastic, seems like it. Heading to the wind. The realism in this helicopter looks so pretty. Like how it drifts to the side when you turn. And the nose down when it flies. This is supposed to have 15 minutes of flight minimum on a battery pack. Alright, let's see how this baby lands. Depending on the pilot skill set. Very darty, and that's level 1 control. I can't imagine level 3 power. Bring the baby back. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day. See y'all later. Thank you.